Hello and welcome back into my channel. So today in this video we are going to open a pack. So this is a TP-Link USB to Ethernet adapter UE306 foldable USB 3.02 Gigabit Ethernet LAN network adapter. It supports Nintendo Switch, Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 7, Mac OS, and Linux OS plug and play device. So this is a very useful device for Ethernet LAN user. Ethernet LAN user, and it supports Mac OS, Linux OS, Windows, and so this one is a very useful product. It gives user a good performance, good internet speed. So this one you can use for various downloading purpose, speed download and all, and internet use for this is very much good. So this is a very nice product. You can see this is full, and this product will cost you nearly 1100 rupees. So I'll put all the information link in my video description. You can go through it and buy this product, purchase this product. So thanks.